Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make miso soup with miso paste. To begin, ensure you have your key ingredients ready: quality miso paste, dashi stock, soft tofu, and dried wakame seaweed. A few thinly sliced green onions will also be perfect for a fresh garnish. This straightforward approach guarantees a flavorful and comforting bowl of miso soup, ideal for a quick and satisfying meal. Now let's prepare the dashi, which is the heart of your miso soup. In a pot, combine 4 cups of water with a piece of kombu seaweed and a handful of bonito flakes. Bring it to a gentle simmer for about 10 minutes, then carefully strain out all the solids. This creates a clear, flavorful broth that forms the perfect base. With your dashi ready, it's time to add the miso paste. Take a small amount of dashi from the pot and dissolve 2 to 3 tablespoons of miso paste in it until smooth. Return this mixture to the pot. Next, gently add your cubed silken tofu and the rehydrated wakame seaweed. Remember, never boil the soup once the miso is added, as this can diminish its delicate flavor. Finally, your delicious homemade miso soup is ready to enjoy. Ladle it into individual bowls and garnish generously with thinly sliced green onions for a burst of fresh flavor. Serve it immediately while it's warm for the best experience. It's a wonderfully comforting and healthy dish. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.